Okay, this is your fourth 6 weeks test. Remember to take your time. Remember you can rewind at any time and listen to the questions again. Some of them I'll read twice, and if I mess up, I apologize. Some of you will have one less answer choice than the ones that I'm reading. So just FYI, if that answer choice is marked out, I'm still going to read it just because everybody has a different test. So if you have any questions, make sure you ask, take your time, show your work, and good luck. Number 1, Charles had $145 when he went to the mall on tax-free weekend. He bought a pair of boots for $65 and a new shirt for $30. Which equation shows how much money he had left? Pause. Number 2, an expression is shown below. Which statement is true? Which statement about this expression is true? A, the brackets indicate that 48 times 10 should be solved first. B, the parentheses indicate that the difference of 7 and 3 should be solved first. C, the brackets indicate that 5 less than 10 should be solved first. Or D, the parentheses indicate that 5 times 7 should be solved first. I'm going to read those answer choices again. So take a look at the expression. You should be thinking about how you would work this if you were working it. And here's your answer choices. A, the brackets indicate that 48 times 10 should be solved first. B, the parentheses indicate that the difference of 7 and 3 should be solved first. C, the brackets indicate that 5 less than 10 should be solved first. Or D, the parentheses indicate that 5 times 7 should be solved first. Pause. Number 3, simplify the following expression. There is a griddable, so your answer will go on the griddable. Make sure to pay attention to place value. Pause. Number 4, Kendrick bought a new phone for $150. He got a student discount of $45. If he paid with two $100 bills, which equation shows how much change he received? Pause. Number 5, Maribel made treats for the bake sale. She made a total of 5 dozen treats. 20 of the treats are cupcakes. 4 of the treats are pies. The remainder of the treats are equal amounts of chocolate cookies or peanut butter cookies. Which expression can be used to show that Maribel made 18 peanut butter cookies? Pause. Number 6, a computer rounded the number 129.257 to the nearest tenth. What is this number rounded to the nearest tenth? Pause. Mrs. King asked her students to simplify the following number sentence using the order of operations. Which student answered correctly? Pause. Number 8, Brent had 17 baseball cards. Dawn gave Brent 12 more cards, and Brent gave 6 to Jim. What numerical expression explains how many baseball cards Brent has now? Pause. Number 9, Kate has 15 green shirts and 25 blue shirts she is putting in boxes. She has 4 boxes and wants to put the same number of shirts in each box. Choose the equation that will give X the number of shirts to put in each box. Pause. Number 10, Jasmine has started taking karate classes. The number of classes and the total cost for the classes is shown in the chart below. Which of the following is a true statement about the table? So I'm going to give you a minute to look at the table. And these true statements are going to be about the relationship in the table. So I'm going to give you a minute to look at that. So your answer choices are A, it is an additive pattern because 5 plus 36 equals 40. B, it is a multiplicative pattern because 5 times 8 equals 40. C, it is a division pattern because 40 divided by 8 equals 5. D, it is a subtractive pattern because 5 minus 36 equals 40. Pause. Number 11. A manufacturer made the grid below to show the parts inside the machine. Which shape is located at the ordered pair 5, 4? Pause. Number 12. A student graphs a point that is represented by the ordered pair 3, 0. In this ordered pair, what does the number 3 indicate? Is it A, the point is 3 units above 0 on the x-axis? B, the point is 3 units above 0 on the y-axis? C, the point is 3 units to the right of 0 on the y-axis? Or D, the point is 3 units to the right of 0 on the x-axis? Now, if you look at number 13, you have a grid right there where you could put the ordered pair 3, 0 and look at it and then look at your answer choices and decide which one of those describes where you put that point. Think about this one and don't just quickly answer it. Pause. Number 13. Felicity and her friend Natalie are playing Battleship. Below are the locations of Natalie's ships. Which of the following coordinates would be a hit on a ship? Pause. Number 14. Jim started at the origin and went 1 unit along the x-axis, and then he went 4 units parallel to the y-axis. What section of the bookstore is he in? Is he in A, magazines, B, the checkout area, C, children's books, or D, mysteries? Pause. Number 15. Maggie wants to buy a leash for her new puppy, Scoop. She needs a leash that is about 5.4 feet long. Which leash color should Maggie not buy? Which one of those would she not buy? Pause. Number 16. Below is the model of a rabbit cage. What is the perimeter of the bottom of the rabbit cage? Pause. A rectangle has an area of 48 square inches and a perimeter of 28 square, let's start that over. Number 17. A rectangle has an area of 48 square inches and a perimeter of 28 inches. Which of these could be the dimensions of the rectangle? So which one of those would be the dimensions if the area is 48 square inches and the perimeter is 28 inches? Pause. Number 18. A table of ordered pairs is shown below. Which graph represents these ordered pairs? Pause. Number 19. A rectangular billboard is 9.3 meters wide and 6.8 meters tall. What is the measurement of the billboard in square meters? So I'm looking for something that would have square meters. That's the measurement you're looking for. I'm going to read it one more time. A rectangular billboard is 9.3 meters wide and 6.8 meters tall. What is the measurement of the billboard in square meters? Pause. Number 20. Bert's electronics store is having a sale. To advertise the sale, the store manager wants to outline the store window with colorful ribbon. How many feet of ribbon will he need to outline the window? Pause. Number 21. The model below is a rectangular prism built with unit cubes. What is the volume of this model? Pause. Number 22. The figure below shows a rectangular prism filled with unit cubes. How many total cubes will it take to fill this prism? Pause. Number 23. The cost of a video game is shown below in expanded notation. What is this number written as a numeral? Now you're supposed to write that number in your grid, in your coordinate grid, not coordinate grid, your whatever grid. Anyways, make sure you pay attention to place value. Good luck!